7 Smart Personal Finance Habits You Need in 2025. If your money habits haven't changed since 2020, you're leaving money on the table. In this video, I'll break down 7 smart personal finance habits you absolutely need in 2025 to stay ahead, save more, and build real financial freedom. You're not broke because you don't make enough, you're broke because of what you do with what you already have. Stick with me to the end, because habit number 6 is a silent wealth killer most people ignore. In 2025, guessing where your money went is no longer an option. Use AI-powered budgeting tools that sync with your bank accounts. Know what you earn, what you spend, and where you can cut back in real time. Saving what's left after spending is a trap. In 2025, set up automatic transfers on payday. 10 to 20% should go directly to savings, investments, or an emergency fund before a single bill is paid. Future you will thank you. This timeless rule still works. But in 2025, refine it. With rising costs, adjust to 40/30/30 if needed. Spending reflect your priorities, not pressure. Your budget should flex with your lifestyle, not break it. Don't wait to have extra money to start investing. Start now. $25 a week into an index fund beats zero forever. Use apps like Wealthfront, M1 Finance, or Fidelity. Set it and forget it. Wealth is built habitually, not emotionally. You're not broke, you're oversubscribed. In 2025, subscription creep is real. Use apps like Rocket Money or Truebill to cancel what you don't need. Don't pay monthly for what you're not using weekly. This is the big one. Credit card debt. Buy now, pay later. It's how lifestyle debt sneaks in. If you need credit to afford it, you can't afford it. Delay the flex. Delay the trip. Finance your freedom, not your feeds. Want to know how the wealthy think? They don't obsess over income. They track net worth. List your assets, subtract your debts, and track that number every month. What gets measured gets improved. 2025 isn't the year to survive financially. It's the year to shift your habits and build a life with options. You don't need a raise to get rich, you need the right money mindset, and it starts with action. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with the habit you're starting today. Let's grow smarter with our money together.